Welcome back. Rama Bishnoi is Miss Goa 2012 and Minolta Fernandes is the runner-up. The final round of Miss Goa 2012 pageant was held at Nuve on Saturday.
Miss Goa 2010. We all know about her. She's stunning on ramp and she has helped a lot of people. But for me, she is a guru.
Reporter Pratik Parab for Prudent.
Inventrom Robotics and Vidyavarks Academy conducted a 5-day robotics workshop at Panji. Robo World Robotics Workshop has been specially designed for kids studying in class 5 to 10. The workshop has given them hands-on training of building robots.
During the workshop, kids were taught to design 3 different types of robots, namely the beamboat, the technobot and the mobile robotic arm. The workshop also included various activities like designing electronic circuit, building the mechanical body and programming the robots.
What the technology as Vaibhav explained just now, it is something we use called as a wireless sensor pad. We call it WiSAP, that's what has been invented by us at Inventrom. The idea with WiSAP is that you can plug in any of your sensors and that sensor becomes a wireless device. And it can be the data from that sensor can be transmitted anywhere in the world via internet. So that it's really going to be the future. We believe that you can plug in any of your sensors, the data can be collected, sent across, it can be processed over the cloud. So that is what we really believe we have created for you.
In this academy with a viewpoint of bridging the gap between what is taught in school and the conceptual understanding that a child should have in today's world. I wanted to touch upon the practical aspect of learning, but I couldn't do it for the past 1 year. But Inventrom made my dream come true.
Dinesh Karpe for Prudent Media.
Fatorda MLA Vijay Sardesai has demanded cancellation of all peripheral entertainment programs associated with IFE in view of the gloomy economic scenario in the state. Sardesai has also demanded probe into the IFE expenses and an inquiry into the functioning of ESG CEO Manoj Srivastav.
Ye time Sarkar Section 144 laita IFE time. Good governance the Sarkar dita. जाल्यार सेक्शन 144 कित्याक म्हळ्यार सरकाराक लोकशाही पद्दतीन लोकांचे प्रोटेस्ट बंद करूंक जाय. सगळे कल्चरल प्रोग्राम्स आनी एंटरटेनमेंट जे आसा ते ज्या कॅन्सल जावचें कित्याक हांगा ग्लुमी इकॉनॉमिक सिनारियो आहा. चेंज जावनी गोंयकार मुडान आसुनी लेट गोवन्स बी इन अ बेटर स्टेट ऑफ मायंड टू एन्जॉय and then you have an exclusive program with Goan artists. Not by giving them 3 days notice. Give good Goan artists, exclusive Goan artists, and then have the celebration. Don't do this because this will be a scam and this will eventually mean wasting of public money.
Sardesai has demanded a probe into the functioning of CEO Manoj Srivastava right from the time of his appointment.
ESGचो CEO एक व्हडलो डॉन जाल्लो आहा. पयले सुवातेर ताजी अपॉइंटमेंट इल्लीगल. ते अपॉइंटमेंट केल्लें तेन्ना कोणाची एप्लिकेशनां मागूंक नासलीं आनी इंटरव्यू जावंक नाशिल्लो. He charges the government in lakhs for his telephone bills, which are total violation of government regulations. Whilst driving his official car at 3 in the morning, he has met with an accident at Sangolda. and has damaged public property.
Our reporter from Margao, Sameer Bhatt.
Women's achievers in Goa were presented with Orchid Award on Saturday. Women from various fields were felicitated for excelling in their field. 8 women were felicitated.
Like last year, this year too, Orchids felicitated women from Goa for their outstanding contribution in various sectors. Last year, there were 6 categories of awards. This year, 2 more categories were added. Here the list goes. Winners of Orchid Award: Politics, Nelly Rodriguez; Education, Siddha Pujari; Social Work, Dr. Asha Savardekar; Sports, Akanksha Sadunke; Business, Suchitra Malkarnekar; Art, Akshada Bandekar; Journalism, Christiana Viegas; Rural Empowerment, Chitra Shirsagar; or video journalist from Panji, Omkar Falari.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.